Welcome to Financially Enchanted, where wealth is enchanted to meet you. In this video we're going to discuss 10 things you should know about rich people's mindset. Not the generational wealth kind of mindset, obviously. No disrespect, of course. Not to belittle their experiences, but people want to dig more into the self-made rich kind of mindset, because they're most likely to have more inspiring experiences and life lessons that could help a lot of people who weren't born rich. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Financial education. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of financial education as a cornerstone of their financial success. They don't leave their financial well-being to chance. Instead, they actively seek to expand their financial knowledge. Financial education involves gaining a deep understanding of various aspects of personal finance, investing, and wealth management. This includes concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, taxes, and asset protection. The rich are often voracious readers and learners, constantly seeking to improve their financial literacy. They read books, attend seminars, take courses, and consult with financial experts to gain insights into money matters. They also stay informed about economic trends and market conditions. This knowledge empowers them to make informed financial decisions and avoid costly mistakes. 2. Goal-oriented. Rich people are known for setting clear, well-defined financial goals. These goals serve as their roadmap to financial success. Setting goals provides direction, purpose, and motivation for their financial endeavors. Goals can vary widely from one person to another. Some may aim to achieve a specific net worth, while others may target early retirement, purchasing a dream home, or funding their children's education. These goals are often broken down into smaller, actionable steps to ensure steady progress. Moreover, the wealthy regularly review and update their goals to adapt to changing circumstances and opportunities. This iterative process helps them stay focused on what matters most and avoid distractions that could derail their financial plans. 3. Risk-taking. Contrary to the perception that wealthy individuals are risk-averse, they are often calculated risk-takers. They recognize that all investments come with some degree of risk, but they take a strategic approach to managing and mitigating these risks. They understand the concept of risk versus reward, recognizing that higher potential rewards typically come with higher risks. However, they also know the importance of diversification. By spreading their investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, they reduce the impact of any single investment's underperformance. Wealthy individuals also invest time in research and due diligence before making financial decisions. They may consult with financial advisors, analyze market trends, and assess the potential impact of economic factors on their investments. This meticulous approach allows them to make informed decisions while managing risk effectively. 4. Multiple income streams. One of the distinguishing features of wealthy individuals is their ability to generate income from multiple sources. They understand the importance of diversifying their income streams, which helps them build wealth and create financial security. These income sources can include earned income. This is typically their primary income source, often stemming from high-paying careers or successful businesses. Investment income. Wealthy individuals invest in various assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and private equity, to generate passive income. Business income. Many of them are entrepreneurs who own and operate successful businesses, which contribute significantly to their wealth. Royalties and licensing fees. Some may earn income from intellectual property, such as patents, copyrights, or royalties from music or books. Rental income. Owning and renting out real estate properties is a common way to generate consistent cash flow. Diversifying income streams not only increases their overall income but also provides a safety net in case one income source experiences a downturn. 5. Leveraging debt. While debt can be a source of financial stress for many, wealthy individuals understand how to use it strategically. They recognize that not all debt is created equal, and they leverage it as a financial tool when appropriate. One common use of debt is for investment purposes. For example, they might take out a mortgage to buy real estate, finance the acquisition of a business, or invest in stocks or bonds on margin. These strategic uses of debt allow them to amplify their potential returns. However, it's crucial to note that wealthy individuals approach debt with caution and discipline. They carefully assess the terms, interest rates, and potential risks associated with any debt they take on. They avoid high-interest, consumer debt that can erode their wealth over time. 6. Networking. Networking plays a significant role in the mindset of rich people. Building and maintaining valuable relationships can open doors to opportunities and collaborations that might not otherwise be accessible. Wealthy individuals understand that success often depends on who you know, as well as what you know. They actively seek out opportunities to connect with others in their industry, potential business partners, mentors, and experts in various fields. Networking isn't just about accumulating a long list of contacts, it's about cultivating meaningful relationships. They invest time and effort into nurturing these connections, offering support and value in return. These relationships can provide insights, advice, and access to resources that can accelerate their financial success. 7. Resilience. Resilience is a key trait shared by many wealthy individuals. They have the ability to bounce back from setbacks, failures, and financial challenges. Instead of being discouraged by obstacles, they view them as learning experiences and opportunities for growth. Failure is not seen as a final outcome but as a temporary setback on the path to success. This mindset allows them to persevere through challenging times, adapt to changing circumstances, and maintain their determination to achieve their financial goals. Resilience also extends to their ability to manage stress and maintain a positive outlook. They often engage in practices like meditation, exercise, and mindfulness to stay mentally and emotionally resilient. 8. Delayed gratification. Delayed gratification is a fundamental principle of the mindset of rich people. They understand that achieving significant financial success often requires sacrifices in the present for greater rewards in the future. Instead of succumbing to immediate desires and impulsive spending, they prioritize saving and investing. They are willing to delay the purchase of luxury items, extravagant vacations, or other non-essential expenses in favor of building wealth and financial security. This mindset requires discipline and the ability to resist the temptations of instant gratification. They set aside a portion of their income for savings and investments before allocating the rest for living expenses and discretionary spending. 9. Continuous self-improvement. A growth mindset is prevalent among wealthy individuals. They believe in the power of personal development and continually seek opportunities to improve themselves in various aspects of life. This commitment to self-improvement can take various forms. Education, they invest in formal education, take courses, attend seminars, and seek advanced degrees to expand their knowledge and skills. Reading, wealthy individuals are often voracious readers. They consume books, articles, and research materials on a wide range of topics, including personal development, leadership, finance, and psychology. Mentorship, many seek guidance from mentors and experts in their fields. Learning from those who have already achieved success can provide valuable insights and shortcuts to reaching their own goals. Health and wellness, they prioritize physical and mental health, recognizing that a healthy body and mind are essential for sustained success. By embracing continuous self-improvement, they not only enhance their capabilities but also increase their capacity to seize opportunities and overcome challenges. 10. Charitable giving. Philanthropy is a notable aspect of the mindset of rich people. While they strive to accumulate wealth and financial success, they also recognize the importance of giving back to society and making a positive impact on their communities and the world. Their approach to charitable giving goes beyond writing checks. They are actively involved in philanthropic endeavors, dedicating time, effort, and resources to causes they are passionate about. This engagement allows them to see the direct impact of their contributions and fosters a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Charitable giving may involve supporting education initiatives, healthcare programs, environmental conservation, or various social causes. By contributing to the greater good, wealthy individuals use their financial resources to make a meaningful difference in the lives of others. In conclusion, the mindset of rich people is multifaceted, encompassing financial education, goal setting, risk management, diversification, networking, resilience, delayed gratification, self-improvement, and philanthropy. While these traits are commonly found among the wealthy, it's essential to recognize that individual circumstances and approaches to wealth building can vary widely. Adopting some of these principles can benefit anyone seeking to improve their financial situation and work toward their financial goals. The key is to approach these principles with discipline, determination, and a long-term perspective, recognizing that financial success is a journey that requires continuous learning and adaptation. With that being said, we've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your loved ones. Have a great day.